All right, so I'm showing my bee escapes that I have on the hives right now. This one was purchased by Man Lake, and this one was one of the ones that I built. And they've been on the box for about 2 days now, and we're just gonna do a little crack and see how effective they are at reducing the bees. Now, a little disclaimer: one of the frames in here has some seal brood on it. You couldn't have done anything about that little section, so there may be a little bit of bees in here, but I'm not expecting a lot. So this is the one that I really want to check, because we all know that the Man Lake one would have really worked and worked naturally, but this is the one that we want to ensure that it's working properly. So we're gonna crack the box and take a look and see if my little thing worked. All right, so just cracking the top and looking. All right, so I am seeing bees up here, but there isn't a lot. These are the bees that are probably on the brood here, but when we look down into the general box, you can see that for the most part it is empty. So I'm thinking that the bee trap, the bee escape would have worked, because I'm not seeing a lot of bees protecting the honey up here. Gonna pull the Man Lake one as well. And same story here. There are a few bees, a little bit more than the other one actually, but just the same. So I'll be pulling these today. I just wanted to show that.